More from Alden tonight, coming up at 11. What a day it's been for crazy weather. Our John Humphreys recording this little burst of sleet coming down in Prospect this afternoon. Colleen, it always seems to be an extreme anymore these days.
Especially when we're talking about a system that produces numerous tornadoes. We have 7 confirmed in our area and then some cold weather behind it. So this is a massive system. In fact, a tornado warning is in place for the state of Virginia, still packing a punch with it off to the east. But excuse me, off to the west, we are dealing with that cold air rushing in behind it and some very windy conditions. Here's a look at that radar. We're seeing some scattered light rain. Really hard to tell on the radar if we're seeing some sleet out there, but it is possible here for the next few hours. Jefferson County right now, Fern Creek, we're seeing some light rain. Thankfully, there's a little break over Prospect where they are doing recovery efforts. Some light showers over to Charlestown and in southern Indiana. Thankfully, all of this is pretty light. I think what we're dealing with the most tonight when we're talking about roof damages, people out and about, we have wind gusts around 32 miles per hour. So it is a very windy forecast. It was just gusting to 37, so it did calm down a little bit over the past 30 minutes. Let's talk about that chance of some snow tomorrow morning, because yes, there is a chance. Overnight tonight, we'll continue to see the temperatures drop to the low 40s. Still going to see rain by 10 p.m., but I think past 11 p.m. we'll start to see that transition, maybe some more sleet out there, some light flurries, and then maybe 1 or 2 light snow showers around 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, mainly around Madison, North Vernon, areas north of Louisville, but it is possible to drift farther south. And that's it. We're going to be too warm to see any kind of accumulation out there, so it's just going to be up in the sky, then melting once it hits the surface. By the afternoon tomorrow, we could see some more sleet into the afternoon, mainly around Seymour, North Vernon, and then some scattered light showers. Temperatures staying in the 40s tomorrow, but that 44 is going to feel like 34. That windy conditions are going to make it feel a little uncomfortable throughout the day tomorrow. As we head towards Friday, some scattered light rain still in that forecast. That low pressure is almost slowing down to a complete stop, which is why we have the same weather photocopy of today, tomorrow, and Friday. Thankfully, it will start to move off to the east. We'll start to see the breaks in those clouds, temperatures in the low 50s for your Friday. So we'll get better weather by this weekend. Saturday will be mostly sunny, high of 59, and then we're looking ahead to the solar eclipse on Monday, high of 70. As of now, there's a hit or miss chance of seeing an isolated sprinkle with some partly cloudy skies. Could be worse, but we're keeping our eyes on that forecast. And of course, we have our communities and our thoughts that were impacted by those tornadoes yesterday. Doug?